Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be attempting to make some fried rice. A friend gave me this recipe. It's fully vegan, so we'll just get straight into it. So first of all, let's see what ingredients we need. Okay, so first of all we have, of course, the rice. Next, what you're going to need is some spinach. After this, we're going to grab some red chillies. You want around 350 millilitres of vegetable stock, some tomatoes, or if you've got some tin chopped tomatoes, just make sure you drain them first. 2 cloves of garlic, half an onion, some tomato sauce or Tommy K, 1 sweet bell pepper, salt, pepper, oregano, cumin, crushed chili flakes, and some chilli powder. And this is everything that we need. Okay, so now we've seen what ingredients we need, let's get straight into it. So we're going to be chopping up everything, and then I'll show you the process of putting it all together and actually cooking it. The first thing that I was told was to dice, so that's what we're going to attempt to do now. I've never really diced before, so we shall see. For this recipe we're going to be using 2 lots of garlic cloves. Okay, so once everything's prepared, you just want to heat the pan up to a medium heat with a splash of olive oil. While the oil is heating up, you just want to add your half an onion. And you just want to start stirring that in. Once the onions have started to soften, you want to then add your garlic. Once they've started to become translucent, you just want to add your portion of rice. Now, for me, I used about 75 to 80 grams of rice. That is a recommendation of 1 portion. And then you just want to stir the rice in until it's all nice and toasted. It should take about 2 minutes. So once the rice is toasted, you then want to add your vegetable stock and tomato sauce. We're going to be using around a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Should be fine. So you want to stir this in and bring to a simmer for about 2 minutes. So once it's been simmering for about 2 minutes, you want to add just a handful of spinach. You want to add your peppers and chilli. And you also want to just add your tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are better, I just couldn't get any at the time. You want to season it with some salt and pepper. And we want to add half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. And then for your chili flakes, you just want to add a quarter of a teaspoon of them. And then again, stir in. So once that's all mixed in, and so once it's brought to a boil, you just want to let it simmer until the rice is cooked. Then you want to add your oregano just 10 minutes into cooking. Okay, so once you've got it about the same consistency as this, so you just want it so the rice is soft, not too watery, and it should be fine. So you just want to take it off the heat. So we'll turn that first. Once you're at this stage, you're basically done. You just want to serve it immediately. It should look a little something like this. So you should garnish it with some coriander. I don't have any, so I'm just going to eat it straight like this. Okay, so that's it for this one. The recipe will be in the description below. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be amazing. I'll be trying to do some more vegan recipes for this month. I've still got a few more planned, and then in the next coming months there'll be a few more recipes that are vegan and are not vegan. So stay tuned. Goodbye.